This recording is going to be pages 14 and 15 of Exploring Kentucky's Mighty Oaks. Kentucky's champion oaks. Every year, skilled hunters head into the woods, cities, parks, cemeteries, and any place where trees grow. They aren't tracking game. They're for something that can't run or hide. Big trees. Really big trees. Kentucky's champion tree hunters find and measure trees in hopes of finding new state champions and maybe even national champions. Champion trees can be found almost anywhere. These champion trees are the largest members of their species, blessed by superb growing conditions, resilience to hazards, an opportunity to grow, and a little luck. These VITs, very important trees, show what's possible when everything goes just right in nature. Big trees also have big values. Compared to younger, smaller trees, big trees provide greater ecosystem services such as carbon storage, cooling, water, and air filtration. It may sound like work reserved for experts, but tracking down Kentucky's biggest trees is actually a collective effort that anyone can join. Amateur tree buffs, citizen scientists, and school kids alike are invited to locate and nominate potential champions to help honor the branchy giants among us. Big tree hunters have been looking for champions since 1940, when the American Forests Organization began a search of the largest specimen of each species of American trees. Their mission was to locate and protect them. The Division of Forestry, KDF, began compiling a list of state champion trees in 1968. A tree earns points based upon its circumference, the measurement around the tree, the height, how tall it is, and the crown spread, the total amount of leaves and branches in every direction. The tree with the most points for its species is declared champion. If trees are within 5 points of each other, they may share the title of co-champions. Once established as state champions, they are then nominated for national champion status, if they are bigger than the one currently listed. Some of the largest trees on Kentucky's registry are the oaks. There are 22 champion oak species recognized in Kentucky: black, blackjack, bur, cherry bark, chestnut, chicken-pin, northern red, Nuttall, overcup, pin, post, scarlet, shingle, chamard, southern red, swamp chestnut, swamp white, water, white, and willow. Of these, a chamard oak in Powell County, a shingle oak in Jefferson County, and a chinkapin oak in Harrison County are national champions, the largest tree of that species in the United States. So get out there and measure some trees. You may find the next champion. And we have some pictures down here where people have measured some champion trees. And there's a website link if you wanted to check out champion trees. So things to do as a class, I told you in the assignment that these are not required, but I'm going to read them to you. And if you have a little time on your hands and you're looking for something to do, here is one as well. Things to do as a class. 1. Cut out magazine pictures of products made from trees. Collect pictures that fit equally into the categories: wood products, food products, and paper products. Put up 3 large pieces of paper with a label: paper, wood, food. Have each student pick a picture and put where they think it belongs. After everyone has put their pictures under a label, discuss what is in each category. 2. Make new paper from old used paper. This is a messy project and it takes time, but it's well worth the effort, and there's a YouTube video about it. Number 3, make a treasure tree for the classroom. Bring in a dead tree limb with lots of branches. Have the students decorate the limb, prop it up with a coffee can or a bucket filled with sand, with pictures of tree products or actual small products such as pencils, nuts, fruit, cellophane, etc. Number 4, tape a picture of a tree product to each student's back. Tell students they must figure out the product on their back by asking each other yes or no questions. For example, is this product used in our school? Number 5, learn how trees and other plants affect soil erosion by carrying out an experiment. And there's an experiment listed. Again, since we are not in class together, none of those are things that you have to do. But if you're looking for a project around the house, make sure you ask your parents first. Start an Envirothon team. Are you interested in environmental issues? If so, then you and your friends should form an Envirothon team. The statewide competition allows high school students to team up on a series of hands-on outdoor contests to solve environmental problems and to test their knowledge of natural resources. This event is made up of teams of 5 high school students competing in 5 different areas: aquatics, forestry, soils, wildlife, and a current issue. The 2021 current issue is climate change and natural resource-dependent communities. At each site, students will use their knowledge to participate in hands-on activities to complete a test. The Kentucky Envirothon consists of 2 regional competitions. Top scoring teams from each regional competition will move on to the state competition. Regional competitions are held each year in April, and the state competition is held in May. Registrations for next year's competition will begin in December, and then there's contact information. So that might be something that you're interested in as you get into high school. Remember that in the Jim Claypool Art and Conservation Writing Contest that it's open to elementary through high school students. And that is the pages 14 and 15.